So INBS 349 International Marketing is a globally focused marketing course that provides an overview of the marketing efforts and strategies that businesses employ when they want to expand overseas. The course touches upon various areas of international marketing, political, economic, and socio-cultural environment, in addition to how does a company change its product, price, place, and promotion when it enters a foreign market. There is something transformative about watching students step out of their comfort zone in a new country, learn about new cultures, interact with business owners. I'm looking forward to be part of this experience.
We got to utilize the skills and the knowledge that we gained throughout our academic journey while helping a small business owner achieve her goals beyond her immediate community.
It also creates a portfolio-worthy work. It strengthens their teamwork and collaborative skills and improves their communication skills.
It was more rewarding and fulfilling though for me and all of my classmates, using my knowledge to help her grow her business, creating an inventory dashboard, reworking her website, and also reworking parts of her social media.
Experiential learning helps students build real-world competence. Students learn to navigate ambiguity, gather insights, and make decisions. They see that their ideas can have a real impact on a real business.